What I'm about to tell you will either put you out of business or make you $1,000,000 richer, and there's no in between. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Tommy. I'm a division leader at the Ellie Group, a 9-figure coaching company, and I made millions of dollars as a leader, a coach in high-ticket sales in just a few short years. And here I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that. This channel is for business owners, leaders, and sales pros that want to go to the next level. So I promise you, you want to stick around until the end of the video. Now, the number one reason most salespeople and business owners fail has nothing to do with their product, their service, or pricing. I'm going to break down the exact system I use to close deals that most people can't. What I call the result first selling system. And if you think that this doesn't apply to your industry, stick around because this works whether you're selling coaching, consulting, real estate, or anything else. Now let's get into it. Here's the reality that's going to sting. In 2026, nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about your company and nobody cares about your service. All they care about is themselves. So what are they getting out of it? Most salespeople walk into a conversation and immediately start talking about their company's history, their credentials, their 12-week program, their proprietary system, their features and benefits. And the prospect is sitting there thinking, when are you gonna tell me how this helps me? Here's what separates $1,000,000 closers from broke salespeople. Broke salespeople sell their service. $1,000,000 closers sell the result. There's a massive difference there. When I first started in sales, I made $600 my first month at a Toyota dealership. You know why? Because I was doing what everyone else does, talking about the car, the features, the warranty, the financing options. But once I shifted to selling the result, the feeling of driving the car, the confidence they'd have pulling up to their job, the peace of mind knowing their family was safe, everything changed. If you want to close more sales starting today, stop leading with your service and start leading with the transformation your prospect is actually buying. Now that you understand nobody cares about your service, let me show you why selling your service is actually killing your close rate. Every time you talk about your service, your features, or your process, you're putting your prospect to sleep. Now pay attention because this is why. When you say we offer a 12-week coaching program with weekly calls, accountability, and access to our portal, the prospect hears noise. It means nothing to them because you haven't connected them to their pain or their desired outcome. But when you say in 12 weeks, you're gonna go from struggling to close deals to consistently bringing in 50K months, and you'll finally have the confidence to lead your team without second guessing yourself. Now they're leaning in. Do you see the difference? One is a transaction and the other is a transformation. When I'm on a sales call at the Ellie Group, I never lead with what we do. I lead with what they're going to become. I don't say we have a coaching program and teaching sales and leadership. I say you're going to become the kind of leader who doesn't just make more money. You're going to build a business that doesn't require you to sacrifice your family, your health, your peace. And when you do that, everything in your life changes. That's what they're buying, not the coaching, the result. Every feature of your service needs to be translated into the result your prospect cares about. If you can't connect them to their pain or their dream, don't mention it. Now that you see why your current approach is costing you deals, let me give you the exact system I use to sell the result every single time. Now write this down. This is what I call the result first selling system. It's a framework that makes selling feel effortless because you're giving people what they actually want. Here's how it works. There's 3 layers to every sale. Layer 1, the surface want. This is what they say they want. I want more sales. I want to grow my business. I want to better my team, right? Layer 2, the real pain. This is what they're actually struggling with. They're burnt out. Their team doesn't respect them. They're making money but losing their marriage. They feel like a fraud. Layer 3, the desired identity. This is who they want to become. A confident leader, someone their family is proud of, someone who has it all together. Most salespeople stop at layer 1. They hear, I want more sales and start pitching their sales training. $1,000,000 closers dig to layer 3. They help the prospect see the version of themselves they're trying to become, and then they position their offer as the bridge to get them there. Here's how I use this in real sales calls. A prospect tells me, I want to scale my coaching business. I don't pitch them on our program. I ask, what's the biggest challenge keeping you from scaling right now? If we solve this completely in the next 90 days, who would you become as a leader? What will that do for your family, your confidence, your life? By the time I present the offer, they've already sold themselves. I'm just showing them the path to the identity they already want. Stop selling your service. Start selling the identity transformation your prospect is desperate for. That's what they're paying for. Now that you have the system, Let me show you exactly how to implement this in your sales process so you can start closing more deals this week. Here's your action plan. This is what you're gonna do starting today. Step 1, audit your sales pitch. Go through your current pitch and cross out every time you talk about your service, your process, or your feature. Replace it with the result your prospect gets. Step 2, ask better discovery questions. Stop asking surface level questions. Dig deeper. Ask about their pain, their goals, and the person they're trying to become. The 3 questions I use in every call. What made you decide to look for help right now? What's the real cost of not solving this? And if we solve this completely, who would you become? Step 3, paint the vision. Before you ever present your offer, make sure the prospect can see the version of themselves they want to become. Get them to visualize it. Get them to feel it. When they're emotionally connected to the identity, your offer becomes the obvious next step. Implementation is everything. You can have the best system in the world, but if you don't use it, it's worthless. Take these 3 steps and apply them to your very next sales call. Look, I just gave you the exact system that's helped me close millions of dollars in high ticket sales. But here's the thing. Knowledge without action is just entertainment. If you're serious about implementing the result first selling system in your business, pull out your phone right now. I want you to text me the word sales at 480-989-4133. I'll personally have a one-on-one with you to see how we can scale your team, your skills, and your business. Now, this isn't for everyone. This is only for people who are serious about leveling up their sales game and closing more deals. Stop selling your service, start selling the result. Try me on that. That's what people are actually buying. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and I want you to drop a comment and tell me how this video helped you. I got your back for life.